So, good afternoon everyone. So, Korea Report Article, so good Article 239, Usurpation of Legislative Power. So, Moria is committed by any public officer who shall encroach upon the power of the legislative branch of the government either by making general rules or regulation beyond the scope of his authority or by attempting to repeal a law or suspending the execution thereof. So, participant siya of prison correctional is in its minimum period, temporary special disqualification in a fine not exceeding 200,000. So, ano yung usurpation of legislative powers? So, ang all elements, the offender is an executive or judicial officer. So, minsan mo na yung mga executive officer. So, example na ni mga mayor, vice mayor, governor, etc. Then, ito that he make a general rule or regulation beyond the scope of his authority or attempt to repeal a law or suspend the execution thereof. So, ang pagkuha ni is, kuha na ba, biyad na bitaw sa iyang trabaho bitaw. Imbis ang trabaho ni mayor is to execute and implement law not make them. So, for example, so karon tig-animan, so tingkuan si mayor nga bawal magbulat o gumay sa kalsada, nag-implement sa kuan o balakon nga bawal daw magbulat o gumay sa kalsada ba. Then, boto. Which is dili na niya kuan ba? Dili na dito niya kuan niya pagbuhat sa balakon kay iyang kuan na execute and implement. So, next is usurpation of executive function. It is committed by any judge who shall assume any power pertaining to the executive authorities or shall obstruct the latter in the lawful exercise in their powers. So, na-decide elements that the offender is a judge, that he assume a power pertaining to executive authorities or obstruct the executive authorities in the lawful exercise in their power. So, example na niya, may isa ka judge, yung pangalan kay si Rio. Dayon, dami sa lala, nag-liquor ban, nag-liquor ban. Dayon, kay si judge nga si Rio, kay palahubog man, nag-issue sa TOR, temporary restraining order nga para dili madayon pang liquor ban. Nya, dili makapili mga kuhan sa panala. Tawag ni? Mas may ang judge, muna na iyang gikuan, crime. Mas may iyang ipugnan ba magpatubad ng balaod nga liquor ban para lang sa iyang kabalingon nga palahubog siya. So next, iyang penalty is arresto mayor in its medium period to prison correctional in its minimum period. So Article 214, usurpation of judicial function. It is committed by any officer of the executive branch of the government who shall assume judicial powers or shall obstruct the execution of any order or decision rendered by any judge within his jurisdiction. So, elements on this ni Article 241 is number 1, that the offender is an officer of the executive branch of the government. And ikadua is that he assume judicial powers or obstruct the execution of any order or decision. So, for example, si Francisco, ikasuhan niya si Kim kay na wala nang angkol o giuta. Dayon, pagkasuhay na, nakadaog si Francisco kay then si Kim wala siya kuha na itong iyang inupa. Idaog si Francisco. Dayon, kay si Kit, ang mayor na si Kit, Kay iya man niya ay pagkumangto ni si Kim Kim, iyang giadto tong judge ay iyang gikan ba, mag-obstruct nilang tong ito nga ipabatog ng polis para dili madayon ng ilang kuhan, ilang kaso. Dayon, dili pod patuon si Francisco sa imuta kay gi-obstruct naman ni executive officer. Mora to si Mayor Gaskit. Wala, executive branch of the government, mga sikit, mana siya ni, mana siya mo siya ni judicial officer. Next, ay, yung penalty is arresto mayor in its medium period to prison correctional in its minimum period. Article 242, disobeying request for disqualification. Is committed by any public officer who, before the question of judicial jurisdiction is decided, shall continue any proceeding after having been lawfully required to refrain from so doing. So, one elementsใน Article 242. That the offender is a public officer, and number 2, that the proceeding is pending before such public officer. 3, that ang offender is a public officer. Number 2, that the proceeding is pending before such public officer. So, ang proceeding case is nag-process na ito para. Then, ikatulog that there is a question brought before the proper authority regarding this jurisdiction which is not yet decided. So, kani si public officer is nakadawat siyang order nga i-kuan ba? Nga ipatigil sa kuan ba? Ang proceeding kay questionable ang iyang jurisdiction. Ano yung jurisdiction sa public officer is kuan ba? Ano daw? Mag-visit. Anong kuan ba? Before na mag-kuan ng decision is i-verify ba nato or sakto ba to? Which is pagkuan niya nag-asang order nga equal sa paundang ang proceeding, which is wala yung i-continue ang proceeding. Wala natin continue ang proceeding. Then number 4 is that they will lawfully required to refrain from continuing the proceeding. So nasa ikon ba? Nasa power to kondamo ng proceeding kaya isugo ko siya sa proper authority, higher authority. So, ang penalty ni public officer is arresto mayor and a fine not exceeding to 100,000. Article 243, order or request by executive officer to any judicial authority. So, it is committed by any executive officer who shall address any order or suggestion to any judicial authority with respect of any case or business coming within the exclusive jurisdiction of the Court of Justice. So, one element that the offender is an executive officer. So, kung ingon, ang executive officer is mayor, vice mayor, governor, etc.
Pitan.
Number 2, that he addresses any order or suggestion to any judicial authority. For example, si Francisco, mayor. Dayon si Diban is judge. Yang yun niya si judge nga iyang pumangkon is si Moog clerk of court. Wala clerk of court is kanang palmitawag assistant pero ni judge. Yang yun sa ni judge nga ipahimong kuhan. Which is dili ito trabaho ni mayor nga mo request or order. Which is trabaho na ni judge kung kinsa iyang ipon nga clerk of court. And another example is kanang kuhan. Or for example kanang si mayor ay kuhan. Nay kaso ingnan niya si judge nga kanang malayao na ay wala pa na salak ng accused pa ano na lang was malayao na kay walay katawan si mayor ana kay si judicial authority which is ang kanang judge is iyang na trabaho is to kuan ba to